How to earn $10 per day online on Clickbank. I know many people are looking for thousands of dollars online, but many of the people who have just started out their journey online, so they are just looking for how to earn their first $10 per day online on Clickbank. So this is the video for those people who are in that kind of a mind. And please remember that this is a free strategy. You can easily scalable this strategy, and it is very easy to implement. All you need is to follow my step-by-step guidelines and you're good to go to use this system. These are the steps that I will cover in this video. In step 1, I will show you how to pick up your niche. In step 2, how to select your product. In step 3, how to send traffic to your affiliate link. And in step 4, rinse and repeat. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9-to-5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, I have mentioned the link in the description box. You can use that link and start your journey from today. So let's get started with today's video. In first step, I will take you to the clickbank.com. If you do not know about Clickbank, Clickbank is actually an affiliate marketplace where you can join it for free, and it is one of the largest digital affiliate marketplace out there, and all you need is to create an account with this site and then start promoting their products for money. Just click on create account, provide your personal banking and account information. After providing that information, move to the affiliate marketplace section. This is affiliate marketplace. Click on this tab. Here you are seeing that there are different categories out there on the left hand side, and you can select any category that you like. I personally like working on e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, parenting and families, self-help, and motivation. So it is up to you which niche you want to choose, but before selecting any niche, you must have a knowledge or you must have an interest in that niche. Because if you just select a niche you do not know about, then you can get bored and you can get demotivated very soon. So I highly recommend you to choose a niche in which you have an interest. So let's suppose if I click on parenting and families, these are the products that are including in parenting and families category. You can sort those products using different things. I generally recommend you to sort using gravity. So gravity is the number which tells us that how many affiliates are making money after selling that product. This product has a gravity of 27 and it offers you an average sale of nearly $45. So that's how you can look at different products. The higher the gravity, the better would be for us to promote, because it is a trending product. People are buying it and a lot of affiliates are making money after selling that product. I recommend you to pick up a product that have at least 30 gravity and that offers you an average affiliate commission of at least $30. So just for an example, if I click on this product, Baby Sleep Miracle, if I open up this product, now you can move to the landing page of this product. Just check for the landing page how it look like, whether it is professional created or it is just garbage. So just move downward, you can see that it is looking reasonable. There is a video, there is a little bit about the product. Child psychologist weird trick gets any baby to sleep. Click or tap here to unmute video. So just read through the page, and if you like that page, then you have completed your 2 steps. That is, you have pick up your niche, you have selected your product. So picking up your niche is really important, and just pick a product that has an average gravity of at least 30 and that offers you an average affiliate commission of at least $30. So that's how you can complete your first 2 steps. Now let's move to our next step, that is how to send traffic to your affiliate link. First, I will show you how you can get your affiliate link. Let's suppose you have selected this product. Now click on promote. Once you have created your account with the Clickbank, you will see your nickname here. And let's suppose if my nickname is, then you can click on generate hop link. This is your affiliate link. You can copy that link, move to a platform that is known as bit.ly. Just shorten your link, paste your link here and click on shorten. Actually, this site will shorten your affiliate link because the link Clickbank will provide you, it is ugly link and you can make it beautiful or make it shortened from bit.ly.com. Just copy that link and save that link into your notebook or into your MS Word file. So now our next step is to expose that link in front of our audience. So once we promote that link and people click on that link and they will actually buy that product, we will earn affiliate commission. Let's suppose if we promote this product to other people and they click on that link and they then move to this page, and if they click on add to cart and buy that product, this is how we will earn affiliate commission. Our commission will be credited into the Clickbank account, and from Clickbank we can either get paid via check or we can also transfer our money to our bank account. How can we promote this link to different people? There are different methods out there, but for the purpose of this video, I recommend you to move to Facebook. Facebook, as you know, is the world's largest platform after Google. So just move to the facebook.com. Nearly everyone have a Facebook account. If you do not, just create your account for free and search for baby sleep, as your product is related to the baby sleep. So now click on facebook.com and search for baby sleep. After searching on baby sleep, click on groups. Now you are seeing that these are all groups that are related to the baby sleep. Look at these groups one by one. Gentle baby sleep sport, 11,000 members. Baby let's sleep, 5.6 thousand members, 1.6 thousand members, 11,000 members. So join those groups which have thousands of members and which are active. So you can see that 10 plus posts are there, 10 plus posts are there. It means that these groups are really active. All you need is to click on join and join these groups one by one. If you join 5 to 10 groups, then after joining this group, your task is to provide value in the community. That's why I have said to you that you must select a niche in which you have an interest. If you do not select a niche in which you have an interest, then this step would be very difficult for you, because you have to engage with the audience. You have to provide value to the audience. Let's suppose there are different people who are asking questions about baby sleep in the group. So all you need is to reply these questions on a daily basis. You must provide value for the 10 to 14 days at least at the start, and after providing value in the community for 2 weeks, then here you can start making money. How? People will start following you. People will send you inbox. You can share your post in the group, and you can just share your stories and how you can use different strategies to make your baby sleep. So people will start contacting you. This is where you can share your most recommended product to these people. You can send your affiliate link to different people by telling that if you wanted to get or if you wanted to make your baby sleep, then this is the product that you should follow. So if once they click on that product and buy that product, you will earn affiliate commission. After 2 weeks, you can start making some decent income online. And if you do this on a step-by-step manner, and if you do this on a repeatedly, definitely you will reach your target $10 per day or even more than this. You can even scale up this strategy. You can join more groups. You can participate in different groups. You can select different products and promote different products in different groups. So you can scale your business very easily. Not only you are growing your following on the Facebook, but you are also making money from the Clickbank. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.